3 दीस जाले हेरल्डान रिपोर्ट आयल्यार की साऊथ गोवा शेक ओनरांची लागीं एमपीटी परमिशन घे म्हण मागता. तसोच लास्ट टायम 2-3 विलेजींनी तेमी वचोन शेकां बंद केल्ली आनी एक विलेजीन तेमी नोटीस धाडली एमपीटीन. मागीर आमी सीएमा कडेन उलोवन दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन उलोवन आमी ते सॉल्व करून तेमी एलाव केल्ले. बट एक विलेजीन वास्को तेमी घालपाक दिवना शेकां. लास्ट इयर घालपाक दिवना, आतांय ते घालपाक दिना. सो सीएमा कडेन एक रिक्वेस्ट जाता तितले बेगीन हो आमचो इशू सॉल्व करचो. आनी तशेंच आयज हे जे पडे घायनासतना दवरल्या शेकां आडान दवरल्या ती मातशें सीएमान एक रिक्वेस्ट आमकां सीएमा कडेन की जाता तितले बेगीन हे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करचे. नाजाल्यार आमी मुखार कितें करतले ते आमी मागीर सगळे शेक ओनर मेळोन डिसायड करतले. सो हाका लागून सीएमा कडेन एक रिक्वेस्ट करता जाता तितले बेगीन हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करचो. आनी तशेंच ताका एमपीटी क्लियर करचे की तुमी जे लोकल आपले जे ट्रेडिशनल बिझनेस करून येयल्या सगळे गोंयकार तांचे बरें तेमी इंटरफेस जावचे ना म्हणून. सो आमी मागता सीएमा लागीं हे मातशें एक हे हो रिक्वेस्ट मानून घेवचो जाता तितले बेगीन. आमी नाजाल्यार आमी सगळे मेळोन आमी कितें डिसायड करतले म्हाकाय खबर ना, पण हांव एक मिटींग आपयतलो शेक ओनरांची आनी देन आमी सगळे शेक ओनर डिसायड करतले कितें करपाचें तें. कित्याक आयज हे 2-3 विलेजींनी मुखार जाल्या.
हांवें फक्त पेपराचेर वाचलां पूण आमकां ऑफिशियली कांय येयलें ना. नॉर एमपीटीन आमकां सांगलां. पयलीं आमी तांकां गोवा कोस्टलांतले लेटर येताली ट्युरिजम आनी आमी तांकां परमिशन दिताले. सो हे आमी सदां करून येयल्ले आहा इतलीं वर्सां आनी आजून आमचे नदरे कोणें हाडून सांगलें ना की एमपीटी जाय म्हणून. फक्त पेपराचेर वाचलां.
कितले शेक ओनर्स आहा तुमकां?
अबावट 3-4 जाणांनी एप्लाय केला
फॉर शेक.
This matter, it all refers to the Major Ports Authority Bill. That was not even taken up by our legislators seriously. Just in passing, most of the legislators, the ruling as well as the opposition, gave just, very passing comments. See, today we are facing this problem. The shack owners are facing the problem. Tomorrow it could be the other persons who are, the traditional persons, even possibly the fishermen. Possibly they might be have to ask permission from the ports, and this is not based here. Maybe they have now an office, but we understand the Major Ports Authority Bill is being governed from Noida. Imagine all our files, the traditional dwellers here, they'll have to send their files to Noida for clearance and things like that. They are terming this as something like that they will charge some nominal fee. What is this nominal fee? Is that a standard set? Nothing is known, and the Goa government is just keeping quiet, just putting it down, as if nothing is happening. This is a major concern for all the coastal communities, and we as Goans cannot accept that a state within a state, because we have a local panchayat bodies where all this, say for example the shack owners, they seek their permission from the shack owners. The DCZMA is giving, the Pollution Control Board, we have the Food and Drugs, all these are authorities. Why do we need another authority in here, when we have sufficient authorities to take care of this, of the licensing. So we appeal to the Goa government. You have to stand up for the rights of the citizens of Goa. The central government is just stamping, on all our civil rights, and we as local citizens through Goinso Equat, in fact Captain Virato Fernandez was one of the first persons to bring up this matter in the public domain. We had even approached our Honorable MP Sardina about this matter, and he had assured us that he will take up this matter in the Lok Sabha. So, but nothing concrete is happening, and we as Goans, we need to know now, for now, not later, not tomorrow, what is the Goa government stand on this matter.
वोट आएगा तो गैस पर जिधर बात आएगा ना, वो टाइम आएगा, वो संभालेगा लोग।